Power BI versus Looker. Which dashboard tool is best? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I get all the time, Power BI versus Looker. Which dashboard tool is the best? If you're in the data world, you've probably heard these names tossed around a lot, and it can be tricky to figure out which one's right for you or your team. So let's walk through the strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases for each one. By the end of this video, I think you'll have a much clearer idea of which one to choose. Alright, starting with Power BI. This one's a household name in business intelligence, especially if you're already using Microsoft products. Power BI is like that friendly, dependable tool that gets the job done, but doesn't make you feel like you need a PhD to figure it out. First off, the interface. Power BI has that classic drag and drop style, making it super easy to pick up. Even if you're not a data expert, you can create dashboards pretty quickly with all the templates and visual options. Then there's integration. If you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem, Excel, Teams, Azure, it's basically plug and play. And probably one of its biggest perks, pricing. Power BI has a free version if you're solo, and their licensing for Teams is really affordable, so it's great for smaller businesses or teams on a budget. All of this makes Power BI popular, especially in corporate settings. Plus, there's a huge community around it, so help is never far away. Now, let's look at Looker. Looker's approach is a bit different. It's a Google Cloud product, so it's made with cloud-first companies in mind. It's packed with advanced options and is designed for data teams that want control over their data. LookML is Looker's data modeling language. This is what makes Looker unique. LookML lets you create really precise data models and metrics. It's fantastic for data governance, but fair warning, there's a bit of a learning curve if you're not already familiar. Looker shines in cloud-based setups, especially if you're already using Google Cloud or BigQuery. Looker is a dream for data engineering teams who want full control over metrics and reports. It's flexible, but it takes a bit more technical expertise. Looker's packed with potential, but it's best for teams with the resources and the know-how to take advantage of that customization. Here's where we get into the nitty-gritty, how these tools stack up in 4 key areas. Ease of use. Power BI is the more user-friendly choice. The interface is super intuitive and the learning curve is gentle. You can get rolling without a lot of training. Looker is different. It's more technical. Using LookML can give you amazing control, but it does require a bit more know-how. Data integration. Power BI wins on flexibility if you're in a Microsoft environment. It connects smoothly with Excel, SQL Server, and tons of third-party apps. Looker is optimized for the cloud and integrates especially well with Google Cloud products, but it's more specific about the data sources it connects with. Customization and flexibility. Power BI offers a lot of visualization options and flexibility, but if you want to go deeper, like advanced calculations, you'll need some knowledge of DAX and Power Query. Looker's customization game is strong, but it's through LookML, which requires technical expertise. So, if your team wants complete control over metrics, Looker's the way to go. Just be prepared to invest some time in setup. Cost and scalability. Power BI is super affordable, especially for smaller teams or individual users. It's easy to scale with its different pricing tiers. Looker, on the other hand, can be pricey, which makes it better suited for larger companies or those that need the advanced features it offers. So, how do you know which one's for you? Here's a quick recap. Choose Power BI if you're already using Microsoft products and need something that fits in easily. You want something affordable and user-friendly. Or your team doesn't need advanced technical customization. Choose Looker if you're a cloud-first company, especially on Google Cloud. You have a data team ready to take advantage of LookML. Or you need high-level customization and governance. So there you have it. Both Power BI and Looker are fantastic tools, but they're built for slightly different audiences. Power BI is accessible, affordable, and great for getting insights without a ton of technical knowledge. Looker, on the other hand, is perfect for those who want more control and don't mind getting technical. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know in the comments, are you leaning toward Power BI or Looker? And if you're already using one of them, share what you love about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.